Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by focusing the program monitor. Press the tilde key to expand the panel instantly, then use Ctrl-Shift-F or Command-Shift-F on Mac to go true full screen. This removes interface clutter so you see real playback. Once done, lower playback resolution to 1/2 or 1/4 if your timeline is heavy. This trades pixel detail for smooth frames. Make sure to confirm the active panel before the shortcut, otherwise you'll expand the wrong window. Now optimize how Premiere renders while in full screen. Open Project Settings and select Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration when available, because the GPU decodes frames faster and reduces stutter. Then make sure high-quality playback is off and your preview file format is a lighter codec, which decreases CPU load. Once configured, use play around current frame and loop playback to watch edits in context. This helps you catch timing issues while keeping performance high, so you can iterate quickly. Finish by confirming your full screen review. Use export frame or toggle safe margins to verify framing and composition before you stop. If playback shows dropped frames or audio drift, drop the playback resolution, clear Premiere's media cache, or switch to proxies. These fix performance without changing edits. Once satisfied, exit full screen with the same keyboard shortcut you used to enter, and save your workspace if the layout and performance are ideal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.